Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, international makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to wear and perfect a dark lip look while looking super classy. Especially when we are wearing a dark lip look, it's super important to have very clean skin. So this is why I start by prepping the skin very well. I'm making sure that it's clean. I'm balancing it out with the toner and then I'm hydrating it. And I'm also going to use this scrub for the lips because the lips need to look perfect when you apply a dark lip. As I want to keep everything looking fresh and youthful, I'm gonna use cream products today. In order to perfect the face, I'm gonna start by using the IT Cosmetics CC cream. This has also an SPF of 50, which is always amazing to have in your foundation or your base. And then I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of concealer on the under eye area and also on the little blemishes. And for contouring, highlight and blush, I'm also gonna use cream products. The most important thing when working with cream products is to be very gentle on the skin. As you can see, I'm not pushing the product into the skin too much. I'm barely touching the skin so that everything will look seamlessly. After that, I'm going to use a tiny bit of powder just on the center of the face so that I can mattify the area where I don't want any shine. This is probably the easiest eye look you can create whenever you want to wear a dark lip look or a bright lip as well. I'm just gonna start by defining the eye socket with this pencil. This is a creamy pencil and I'm blending it all over the crease and also on the lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna dab a tiny bit of this shimmery shadow just on the center of the lid. Every time you want to wear something bright or dark on the lips, it's very important to have perfect lashes and perfect brows. This is the accent that you want to add to the eye, so this is why I'm using the no lash and I'm applying it just on the outer corners of the eye because I want to elongate the eye shape, and I'm also going to perfect the brows. So the first step in order to achieve a perfect dark lip is to use a lip liner. Of course, I'm gonna use this lip liner by KKW Beauty, which is one of my favorites. I'm making sure everything is as symmetric as possible, and then I'm gonna use a tiny bit of concealer that's left on the brush in order to perfect and make sure that those edges are super clean and sharp. And after that, I'm gonna apply the matte lipstick by Sunny's Face. This is also one of my favorite formulas, and this shade is very beautiful, but you can choose any other shade you want to. Last but not least, I'm gonna also add a tiny bit of this Patrick Top blush on tops of her cheekbones because this is actually one of my makeup secrets that I always use. I always like to match the lips with the cheeks because it makes everything just look so beautiful. So this is a secret that you can always use no matter what color you use on the lips. Just match it with your blush and it's gonna look perfect. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and I hope you will recreate it because it's super easy to achieve and you can always play with the colors. And of course, if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me on your Instagram story so that I can share you on my Instagram story.